What's going on, guys? It's your boy 918 Manny back with another video. Aquí traigo los carnales.
What's up, fool? You already know, fool.
There goes mine. There goes the other one. We're going to O'Reilly's, go pick up some oil in the oil filter. About to fucking change the oil on my boy's caddy. Yeah, I'm over here munching. I have an A. Valiendo verga. Vale, aquí andamos en el pinche O'Reilly's. Agarrando las cosas. Kevin said he was gonna tint his own freaking thing.
Right here, buddy! Hey, look at this!
You gonna tint the window?
I don't wanna fucking tint the window, dog. The fuck? I can't do that shit. I'm off. There's gonna be bubbles everywhere, homie. We're fucking O'Reilly's and shit. Waiting for Joe. Back at the house, checking up the caddy. Como pueden ver, estamos haciendo. Showing the chickens, eh? Hear my chickens? Show the brand on. Hi, mira Kevin.
Hi.
Muy preparado.
That's what he
Even though the
said.
pen's not even under there. He's gonna drop oil all over my cemento. Are you sure? Are you sure that's the thing?
I see oil leaking out of it, so I'm guessing now.
Bueno, guys. See the engine out. See the oil dropping out of there. ¿Tú qué opinas, Joe?
Kind of like it's like a woman.
O me.
Complicated and wet. You know?
Haces otro chiste como ese y te vas de aquí.
Está bien frío, guys. All of us are skinny. All of us.
¿Otra vez? ¿Otra vez? Pendiente, güey. Speak for yourself. I'm not skinny no more. At least I like to think.
I was like, damn, nigga, I get it personal.
Nah, I used to ride. Not bad.
What's it looking like? No, yeah, that shit black. That bitch is dude.
Como pueden ver, mis chavos.
Don't let it do that. Change it every 4, 3.
Every 3, 4.
Yeah,
Or
listen
if
to
you
them.
don't
Don't
really
listen to
have
me.
time, 3. If you're just bored. Oh, I got you.
It's supposed to be 3. Be responsible. Do it every 3. Don't let it pass. If you let it pass,
Atrás de las cámaras tenemos al Joe. No se quiere ensuciar. Aunque sea su carro.
sí, mira, vato ese.
Hey, I'm the cameraman.
So one of the chickens right now?
All of them, Wayne. Let me cut all of them back. Let me chop their freaking wings off. You have to. If you have chicken, cut their wings.
Cause now the motherfucker gonna fly over your goddamn fence. And this nigga got a high ass fence
Hey,
too.
but what is this dude doing? You
What?
see this way, man?
I better
¿Qué
get
te,
paid.
qué te quitas?
What nigga? I
Quita
wanted to
madre.
show. I wanted to show your fence, bro.
I'm right here. What's up? What you need?
Ocupo la matraca grande. No. It's the one that
Under the firework.
se esconde todo.
Ahí están las gallinas. Porque era no, un caldo de pollo. Tenía las gallinas.
El papá de los pollitos. Ahí.
Out the gate, vamos. Vamos a ver si puedo agarrar uno. Agárrala, papá.
Oh, he got it.
Más aguas que no te cague.
No, es que este güey se pegó con el poste and that'll be content right there.
no pudo.
Agárrate el gallo, güey.
Oh my.
Nah, compa. Mira, se le coló. Aguas, que no te cague. Te va a cagar, güey, si no te fijas,
Well, guys, as you can see, I got Jenny finally. She's hungry.
¿Cómo ven, chavos? Así como ven. Somos gallineros. He's probably doing it the other
You gotta do it the other way to loosen it. I already knew you were gonna say that.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
As.
Do it then.
Ay, güey, ya la acabé. Voy a darme madre, güey. Bueno.
I'm like, lefty loosey, nigga,
Y
everything.
luego lo voy a intentar, Joe, porque este es su carro.
Dude, you said the way I was doing it, you're doing it the same way I was doing it.
Well, that's why.
Alright, then, dude.
I'm listening to you.
Hey!
Jamás que me vayas a dar, compadre.
Eso no me lo esperaba.
Hey, that boy's smart as fuck.
Mis respetos.
That's right. So no hacemos la cara de eso.
You heard it here first, guys. Dijo que tiene la cara de güey. Bueno, pues ya nunca la intentó Joe. Because it seems like Kevin's the only one doing the work here.
Dude, is that a turbo?
It's limp right now, bro, but when I step on it, you know what I'm saying? It,
Dang, Joe, ya. Miren esta cochinada, guys. No dejen que se pongan así.
Blacker than freaking Coca-Cola.
just clean it up from the inside.
But I mean, you can put this in there already. Did you see how it was in there?
Just like this. Just haven't taken it out. I just put it in.
The letters up or the letters down?
Well, I can't see you, it's black.
I don't know, the letters up or letters down.
Hey, you can't see!
No, I know. I was just going with his joke.
I was gonna say, but you can't see it.
Does it look like the rubber thing's gonna fit on this? Oh, wait, actually, the rubber thing is for that. And it already has a rubber thing. You want your new oil
Not
mixing?
mine, nigga.
You want your new oil mixing with the old oil?
Sure.
I haven't in a while. I haven't listened to that song in a while.
Dude, I told you, why would you even do that? Why would you put
It's alright, bro. You got steel toes on.
You got the ant stompers.
Kick that nigga in his shit, bro. Kick that nigga in his shit.
Look, I got the get to work 5.7s, almost bending band, the Nike Ticks.
You got the shoes the emo dudes wear to school.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet.
Probably not ripping it off. Probably offering good.
Now we're over here just talking shit, guys. We're just waiting for Joe's all over the drain. ¿Tú qué tienes que decir de todo esto, pa?
No, no. Pero gracias, güey.
¡Qué buen servicio!
Gracias,
They're
güey.
looking pretty.
Hey, being cameraman, bro. Appreciate it.
What a jumper. I think his rings.
Please, no. Please, no.
Cámara, carnal, ¿qué le corres? Es flojito y cooperando, ya te la sabes, carnal.
That shit sucks. It's like, get the fuck out of here. Anyway.
Just put more weight on the car.
Freaking Kevin in him. Así tiene que estar el oil, guys.
Slow.
Slowly, fool. What's wrong with you, dog?
Let me see.
Dale chanza, no, dale chanza.
Oh,
Tiene que
no, we
aprender.
gotta put air bubbles. Put it the same one. Now it feels better.
Pueden ver, mis chavos, el Kevin es muy inteligente. We're gonna have Joe start the car, get everything ready. Everything's mostly done. Well, that was just a little video we did just of the day, just fucking around with the homies.
Yeah. Getting productive, you know. Y'all be productive. Do something good every day.
Guys, be productive. Get out of bed. Don't be freaking lazy, guys. And if you're lazy, you guys don't do nothing.
Y'all are missing out on opportunities.
Honestly, huh?
That's really just what it is. You don't gotta like say too much about it. Like, we all have our good days and our bad days, but get out there, do something productive, and catch a good opportunity.
Also, you gotta remind them. Pray to God.
Yeah, always.
Pray to
You know,
God,
other
guys.
problems, you know, you're going through something, whatever. We all go through some stuff, but you're not in control of everything. You can't change nothing. So
That's
just
right.
do a little prayer. You know, put it in His hands, and then forget about it.